हाय एवरीवन, आई एम सनी एंड आई एम अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर। आज इस वीडियो में हम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, जो कि है हाउ डू यू फाइंड अ राइट जॉब एंड हाउ डू यू प्रिपेयर फॉर इट सो दैट यू कैन क्रैक इट। ठीक है, तो बेसिकली थोड़ा सा रिसर्च के बारे में बात करेंगे, जहाँ पे वी एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स टेन टू डू अ बिट ऑफ रिसर्च बिफोर अप्लाइंग टू एनी कंपनीज और बिफोर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी कंपनी। ठीक है, उससे क्या होता है, इफ यू आर coming well researched, you should be able to know what to prepare, how to prepare, what questions to expect, what rounds to expect, and then eventually you'll be able to crack the company. ठीक है, तो इस वीडियो को बहुत शॉर्ट रखूंगा मैं। ठीक है, एंड दिस इज द होम पेज यू आर सीइंग इज माय YouTube channel. ठीक है, if you're someone who is new, let me tell you that I help people to land a high package job. ठीक है, and why me? Because I have a solid 8 years of experience in software engineering. ठीक है, I have worked for companies like ThoughtWorks, PayPal, Walmart, and 2 to 3 remote companies. ठीक है, I have done myself a lot of switches in my past, and I have been on the other side of the table as an interviewer who has taken a lot of interviews. ठीक है, so I know in and out what it takes to crack an interview, and also the interviewer perspective, what they look for when they interview any candidate. Okay, so मैं बहुत briefly बात करूंगा। ठीक है, this is for my Instagram, one of my Instagram reel. ठीक है, जहाँ पे I have promised to share this kind of video where I can let people know how to research well, prepare well, and then eventually crack the interview. ठीक है, we'll keep this short. And if you're someone who is new to this video, and if you don't know, I have an Instagram page with the name Engineerhoon 2.0. यहाँ पे आपको दिख जाएगा, and you can join there. I help people. I'll give resources, free resources. I mentor people. I give roadmaps. Anything you need to crack a high package job, I am there to help. ठीक है, so without any further ado, let's start with this video. So the whole point of this video was to how to research for a company, how to know about a company. For example, let's say I am prepared, I want to apply for Microsoft. Okay, so how would you identify कि Microsoft at this particular moment, what is the trend, what they are looking for, what kind of interviews they take, what are the rounds. Okay, and at the end we'll also talk about the compensation. You will get to know ki what is the current compensation at what level. But before that, let's focus on the preparation part of it. How would you target these companies with a well researched program so that you can know what to prepare and eventually crack the interview. Okay, so for that I'll introduce you to a platform called LeetCode. Okay, LeetCode is generally famous for practicing your coding skills. But here I'll show you one more side of it. When you go to leetcode.com, you will find a discuss page. So here on the top bar, you will see this is a discuss page. And यहाँ पे, if you come down, here you will see a interview tab. Okay. And here you see there are a lot of interviews. People across the globe, whosoever has given any recent interviews, if they want to share that with the community, they come here and share. So for example, the first one we see here is posted just 19 minutes back, and this is about visa online assessment for senior software engineer, and the platform was Code Signal. So if you just click on this, you will see that this person has shared all the questions he has been asked. ठीक है, so with this you get to know कि हाँ visa company में online assessment में this kind of questions you can expect. You can go through it, you can understand and identify the difficulty level, and you can prepare accordingly. And also you can identify the favorite topics of these companies. ठीक है, similarly what I was about to tell you was, let's say you are on this discuss page and you are on the interview tab. Let's say I want to prepare for Walmart. Okay, and that too for, let's say, SD2. So I'll just type on here the on the search thing, and I'll just see. So these are the interviews which are coming here. If you see, there are two filters. One is most votes, another is newest. So I'm interested in newest because I want to know the recent trend. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे SD3 के लिए there are interview experiences coming. So I have searched for SD2. Let's see if there are SD2. Okay, so let me try for SD3. Sometimes the titles may be different, but still you can expect. So if I just, so let's say this is for SD3 interview experience. Here you see the first round was DSA. They have asked two problems. Okay, the problems are mentioned here. The second round was LLD plus HLD. Asked to design Book My Show, draw entities and its relationships. Result was cleared. And then the third round was design a rate limiter and LLD of the rate limiter as well. So result not able to implement LLD for this, so got rejected. Now here you can see the entire interview experience, and also if you scroll down, you will see the comment section where people discusses about a few things around this. Okay? So similarly, let's say I'm interested for Microsoft, so I'll just search for Microsoft. You may get any recent interview experience or something from the past, but still it will help you to understand the trend. Okay? So if you just see, this is Microsoft hiring drive from 18th and 19th December, which is pretty recent. All right. And then this is for Microsoft software engineering summer intern. Okay, this should be online assessment round, I guess. So some people also asks, so if you see, this is where someone has asked a question about the interview, what to expect. But let's say this is L1 offer for Hyderabad Microsoft. This is uh, some query related to Microsoft. So let's say I'm trying to research about Microsoft, then I'll go and read a lot of posts around Microsoft. See, all of these are Microsoft, right? All of these are Microsoft. So I'll go and read around it. So from this, you'll get to know about the rounds. You'll get to know about the difficulty of the question. You will get to know about the what do they ask in behavioral questions. Okay, and also in case you are also, let's say, concerned about the pay, right? You can come to the compensation section here, and then you can do the similar search. You should see different posts around it. Let's say this one is L61 offer Hyderabad, and if you click on this, you should see that this person is from college tier 2 Microsoft offer, and the Microsoft offer here is base 29 lakhs, stocks this. So you can also know the latest trend of the compensation as per their experience level, and with this also you get some idea so that you can also negotiate, right? So this is a place where you can prepare yourself completely, starting from doing research, knowing what to expect in the interviews, and then preparing accordingly. And once you manage to crack the interview, you should be able to be in a position where you can negotiate your salary well, right? So any company you are preparing for, just come to LeetCode, just come to this discuss section, and then go for interview or compensation, whatever you want to research on, and then boom, you should be able to know at least, right? And this level of information, the train, nobody will come and tell you about any company. Most of the companies uh, post you will find whenever you will come. Okay, do give it a try. Okay, even if you are not preparing for any company, just come and explore this platform and get some idea. इससे आपको ये भी पता चलेगा कि डिफिकल्टी लेवल क्या है. हमारे दिमाग में बहुत बार होता है कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का इंटरव्यूज, गूगल के इंटरव्यूज या वॉलमार्ट, अमेजन के इंटरव्यूज. बट ऐसा नहीं होता है. वंस यू नो द क्वेश्चन कि क्या पूछे जा रहे हैं, देन यू विल रियलाइज कि भाई ये तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. इट रिक्वायर्स कपल ऑफ मंथ्स का प्रिपरेशन, एंड देन आई शुड बी गुड. So I hope I managed to provide you some value from this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any queries, do comment, and also subscribe this channel. I post such videos where I can help you with your career, getting a good job switch, anything related to software engineering. I'm here to help. Okay? There are a lot of tutorials you can go through. Just browse through my channel, and you can find some cool playlist which I have created in the past. So if you like, do support, and do come on my Instagram. I am quite active there. I share resources. We have a community there, which you can join. Okay? And any queries, anything, you can DM me. Don't hesitate. I'm here to help. I'm here to contribute back to the community. So feel free to reach out. I'm looking forward to your DMs. So see ya. Bye bye. Thanks. That's all for this video. मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय.